Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be seeing about 5 innovative DIY projects about Independence Day. First, we will be seeing about a series slide where we will be having 3 colors, that is our flag colors in it, and then we will be seeing our Independence slide show, and then we will be seeing about a bristle board where it carries our national leader's photo and it just moves along. Then we will be seeing about Independence Day colored fans, and then we will be seeing about obstacle following robot in an Independence Day team. Now we will see each and every project by one. First of all, we will be seeing about the series slide. Now these type of LEDs will be having a series of 3 LEDs. So I have just painted with saffron, white and green in this LEDs using the acrylic colors. Now I'll be just powering it up, and you can just see how it glows. Next we have the projects of a tri-fan. So here we have a tricolor braid where we have saffron and we have white with blue, and then we have green color. Now I'll just power it up one by one. I have connected a switch and a battery behind it. Now I'm powering it up. Now this looks like a tricolor flag when we just see it from the front view. Now this is how this works. Now we'll be seeing about the vibrating board. So this vibrating board, we have the primary component of an vibratory motor which we can find in our old cell phones, and then we have just fixed some ice cream sticks in a paper cup, and then we have the photos of our national leaders in front of it. Now I'll just power it up using a 9-volt battery. Now we will be seeing about the Independence Day lights. So here I have a lamp connected with a funnel. So here I have an orange LED, and here I have a green LED, and in center for the Ashoka Chakra I have the blue LED. Now I'll just power both the LEDs first. Now this is what the Independence Day lights are. Here come to the last part of our session. Here we will be seeing about an obstacle following robot with the Independence Day theme. Here I'll just explain you the parts. So the frontal, you can see 2 kind of boards here, that is IR sensors. So this I have just posted an video already about IR sensors, how it works and what are the functions. So you can just click the video in the description. Now this IR sensor is very helpful for actually tracking our hands or obstacles. Now this actually follows obstacles. Now as you see here, I have used an L29 3D board. Now what this board does is, the power which we get from the 9-volt battery will be actually converted to a high power, and then it will be given to the motors over here. Now the motor, when it rotates, it actually gives a good efficiency and power here. Then I have connected using a breadboard in order to share the connections within the complete board structure. Now I will be showing you how it works. Now this is how it actually follows our hands or any other obstacle which we keep in front of it. Now you can just click my subscribe button in my channel. If you haven't subscribed it, you can click the notification button so you can actually get notified on all my videos which I post. So you can like this video if you really like this about these 5 innovative projects. Thank you.